You know what's weird? Okay, so this guy was gifting memberships in my stream yesterday. I got copyrighted because of it.
What?
The sound that Botrex plays, I got copyrighted for. Not like a copyright strike or
Just appeal
anything,
it.
but I did. I said fair use, and then I went in and I changed the sound.
So I can't pop a hole in the nether.
I mean, you can if you can figure it out.
Well, I do not figure it out. I'm just asking.
Oh yeah, you can do that. That's
You
fine.
can just
I know you don't have a problem with that.
you can use an ender pearl through the nether roof to get on that another roof. You don't break anything.
Unless he needs it. I don't know if he needs it, but. Ooh, another cow spawner.
And 10K for 16.
So they need down for some CS:GO or Valorant at 5.
CS:GO, yeah. Valorant, I don't know.
I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to try out the new maps, like the Pearl and that.
Well,
I know not new maps, but they brought them back, which is maps that are actually well made for it.
Yeah, well, they've done a lot of stuff on those maps. These new maps, they haven't done like shit to change.
Honestly, playing the competitive on Valorant with those maps were a lot easier than the newer maps.
Oh yeah.
I think that's what we enjoyed playing, that split and everything in Pearl. Those were like the maps that were really fun to play. That's the maps that we mostly played when we first started.
Yeah, okay. Here, literally look. Like, my sword isn't even that good. I didn't do any, like, special enchants. I just kind of put random enchants on it. Look, this isn't even that good. I mean, it's got some good enchants. Dude, the disarmor enchant, for some reason, is, like, hitting it, like, prodding a ton. So, that needs to be changed for sure. What is it called?
We also gotta do a restart for the,
No, I know.
Failed to authenticate servers. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Minecraft just had a blimp.
Yes, armor.
Yo, this guy got hella lucky glitch there. He fucking got Lord rank on his first day out of the crate.
No, I know. Dude, Glitch is actually really cool. He got me a ton of really OP works.
Yeah, he's a chill little guy. He gifted people memberships on my channel and everything.
Oh, lit.
Bro,
yeah, no,
quick, come to my...
applying for build or something, because apparently he builds really well, too.
Come to my stream real quick. I want to show you some... I changed some of the sounds.
Oh.
Let me know when you watch my stream.
I'm hopping on it right now. Alright, I'm on it.
Oh my god. No, I don't want this person server selector. I want to go into survival. Okay. Where is it? Right here. So this is the member one. That's a little loud, but I like the beginning where it says FBI open up.
Change the volume.
I tried, it didn't work. I turned down...
And then click save at the bottom.
Yeah, I did that, it still didn't work.
Change your sound in OBSM.
But when I did that, I couldn't hear it on my side. I'll have to figure that out, but this one's cool.
Yeah, I like that.
I like how it says tip 500. Imagine that. And then this is the subscribe, which is normal. I know I changed the membership. No, I didn't change that one. Which one was it that I changed?
Pikachu?
I need to change your set.
I changed it to the Pikachu, and then the gifted one I switched to wow.
Rated with 279 viewers. That's crazy.
Yeah, I tried to do that because I didn't go to work today, so yeah. Can you like clear that? You want to add in that money pouch one, the free one that I sent you, and
yeah.
I'll quickly go through the custom enchant.
Where's I don't see the thing for
oh, wow,
this armor.
Disarmor, what do you mean?
So the disarmor like thing, it almost prots every single time I hit someone, and it shouldn't be at all.
Zane, disarmor. Where do you? I see inquisitive. Where's the sword for disarmor? Oh.
The
Okay.
one.
It's actually very easy to find. Don't be screen sharing. I don't want people knowing what host we use.
Oh, I'm not.
Um.
I'm not screen sharing that at least. I was trying to search for it, but oh, here we go. If for some reason it was messing up.
Disarmor, max
Okay.
power, base 5. I'll change that base to increase by 1. There we go. That's nerfed.
Wait, okay, so run this down to me real quick.
So it's
how does
chance
this work?
based, right? So
Yes, I
every
understand that.
hit was 5 chance that you would get it, which means it was being too powerful. It was popping every 2 to 3 hits.
But like, what's the base out of like?
It means the base, so that's the starting point. So every, like, say 2 hits, it has a chance to equip.
No, I know, I understand, but like, it's 5 out of what? Like 5 out of 10?
5 out of 100, I think. I'm not really I'm not 100% sure of it.
It shouldn't be plotting every time then. If it's
Or it's 5 out of 10. I'm not really sure. There's no explanation on it.
Hold up. Let me look up crazy enchants and look on the doc or the wiki.
They don't really have it. So what I did is for inquisitive.
Documentation.
For inquisitive, what I did is it was a base of 50, right? So I changed it base to 25 and increases by 15.
Okay, but I still get a lot of levels, so I don't know what that's out of and how that affects it specifically. I almost kind of want to go on their Discord and ask. Oh wait, hold up. Frequently asked questions. Check the set chance in the config file.
Oh, so here. Look at.
Oh, it also says affects it.
Look at the top. Look at the very top of the actual config of the enchants.
Yeah, I see it.
Chance system. Chance is base is starting chance. Increase the amount goes up each level.
What is the chance out of? Because like 5 means nothing if you don't know what it's relative to.
I guess
100, 5 out of 10, 5 out of 5.
Maybe
that's
it's
what I don't get.
Maybe it's 5 out of 5. Maybe it's 5 out of 10. I don't know.
Starting chance, the amount it goes up each level. It also might be because I'm op. It says why do enchants have 100% chance? Make sure you're not op.
Well, yeah, that's probably why you're here.
Is there a way we can change that?
But I did nerf that disarmor because we do not want you even seen it. It was hitting hard for you when
oh no,
what's his name was.
I went to PvP Pantel again or whoever to check it out, and literally almost every single hit it was taking off at least 1 or 2 pieces of armor. Which
I'm kind of busy at the moment.
5% chance.
Yeah, I'll answer your question in a minute. Relax, calm your hormones. Okay, options, base enchants limit, all commands, max enchant bypass limit, no. Bypass all air effects, no. Enchantment blacklist, no. Bypass wings, no. G-kit timer bypass, no. Huh.
Ooh, the rage enchant spam chat. Rage boss bar. We should set that.
OP. Let me see if I can find the thing for.
Ooh, okay. So if I figure it out, I technically can make our own custom enchants.
Cool.
Oh, I found this is a free plugin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll just check. Paper.
Oh, okay. So, oh, this is not for version 1.21.
Also, I took a look and I understand how to make the G kits. I just want to see if there's a way we can make the G kits a little bit different. Because like right now, it just basically gives you armor. There's no way to give it like really like set bonuses. That's like what I was kind of thinking of when I saw G kits. Hold on, let me just join the Discord and ask them.
No. We're not supposed to. No, it's disabled.
It didn't work for me. You can still see it, but it doesn't actually work. Like, it doesn't let you see the crap.
Zane, what do you think of this? So, this is a balanced one. I don't know if it works for 1.20, but they balanced it out already.
I mean, it should work the same.
But it's
$5
I could buy it.
I mean, we could all do it ourselves. That's the issue.
Yeah, but if somebody professionally goes through it, it'd probably be better off to. High quality 1.20.2. Which it should work. I would assume it would work.
Well, I just asked in the Discord about it. What it's out of. I'm assuming it's 100, but well, that means I can't even PvP if I'm opt. Basically. Okay. Oh, also another thing. Who was it? Iad. So for some reason he has a sword that has 3 enchants on it, and I tried it myself too, and you cannot put a 4th enchant on. But I just checked, and it doesn't include in vanilla enchants for the amount of enchants you can put on something.
What item is it?
Oh. Hold up.
What?
Gunner, you know how you set in LP perms?
Mm-hmm.
There is a default limit in the config, and it's set to 3. But that's weird because I also used a sword on my Bedrock to make sure it wasn't a Bedrock issue.
And
it says you can use the permission, but it's also set to 3 in the config. That makes no sense.
Here, well.
If false, the limit permissions will be used. What?
It says check perms. If false, the limit permission will be used. Otherwise, the limits will be listed below.
You can ask Iad. You can't, and you can try it yourself. I mean, you'll have to probably de-op yourself, but it won't let you put another enchant on. It says there's too many enchants, but I checked it and it's 4. The limit is 4 right now. And I did it on another sword and it was perfectly fine. But he has a ton of vanilla enchants on it. It shouldn't be messing with it, but I think it might be.
I try adding another enchant now. See, I mean, I don't ever really play for the first week, so I'm like a week behind everybody. Only I can in the config. Why?
Oh, that's interesting. What is Scrambler?
It's my Bedrock DFYT NVC is why.
It doesn't make sense. Like why?
What enchant?
He's trying to put Rage 3 on it, and I tried with all the exact same enchants. But I did it on my Bedrock account with no vanilla enchants, and it didn't work. Or it worked.
NVC YT. I still have like, I don't even know what's in my, okay, so. Whoa, what the heck? Why is the thing like a structural barrier? What the hell?
Yeah, I don't know why. It's kind of weird. I was wondering that too. Oh, Gunner, you don't do it like that.
Oh, right, it's drag and drop. Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah.
Hello,
like,
hello, Tato. Shush, okay? The limit has already...
See? But okay. I'll log into my Bedrock account and I'll show you that I have a sword with no vanilla enchants, but it has all those same exact enchants. It doesn't make any sense.
Max enchant, bypass limit, vanilla enchants check false, max enchant limit 5, base enchant limit 4. The currently crystals added. You can add 4 more enchants.
You had the base enchant and the max enchant limit swapped around, by the way, so I've swapped it for you. Look in DMs. I put the exact same enchants though, and it worked. And I wasn't opt for that.
It might be to. Did you put, which way did you put them on though? Did you put Rage on first or last?
I put Rage on last.
He had
an enchants issue.
You didn't even do the enchantments right.
Oh. Well, either way, it's close enough.
So you did Lifesteal 3 you had, Slow-Mo 3 he has, not Slow-Mo 2.
That doesn't affect it though, Gunner. It doesn't matter about the level. The level is fine. It's the same enchants themselves. I'm not sure what it is. What is a lost book? What?
I have your sword testing.
Oh. Ooh. That opens more possibilities, Gunner. I like that. I just figured out something else I can use. I'm getting so many ideas for crates.
Testing on my Bedrock. Here, let me try. So. You okay, baby? Let me try something. I'm only doing this for testing purposes.
No, I know. I see what you just said.
Let me. I'm just doing this for testing. I'm not changing it. I'm just testing.
I know. Because I don't know if his sword is bugged or what.
I think his sword is bugged.
Like, that's what I thought too, because I'm like, well, I can do it on my sword, and it could be the vanilla enchants, but clearly it's not. It's not set in the config where that's an issue. Is it bugged?
Yeah, give me. Let me do this. CE give CoolGunner. What the fuck is this? See, what is it getting? A hat. Enchantments protection for Overlord 2 Hulk 3. The fuck? When I went to go give myself, it gave me a preset. CE give CoolGunner. No, wait, it's CE book.
Yeah.
No, he has Rage 3. It's Slow-Mo 3. Lifesteal 3. What else is it that he has in there? Viper. You should look and see if there's a conflict somewhere in the config and see if there's a conflict between the...
With what? And enchants? Because as far as I'm aware, if there's no the config doesn't have conflicting enchants. Because I put, like I said, I put them all on too.
Okay, give me a sec. Sea dust.
Oh yeah, Gunner,
Success.
can I set dev above Overlord or not? I don't care if it's not. People are just asking why it's underneath
I'll fix it later.
Okay.
Oh right, I can't be in fucking creative mode to be able to do shit like this. Game mode.
30 minutes.
Boom. 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 So 0 for that. Boom. 0 for that one. Boom. 0. What? Really? It leave me over 1 fucking % destroy rate. Okay, that's at 100. That's at 100. Okay, what's...
Actually, I was looking at maybe possibly making my own plugins. I was thinking about it, looking into making them, but not sure if I will.
So enchant sharpness by NVC1. It had sharpness by fire, and then enchant Fire
looting.
aspect 2.
Here, I can tell you if you want. Add sharp looting.
Who the hell would
unbreaking
use
2,
that? Who the
fire
hell would
aspect 2,
use a looting 3 on a PvP sword?
That's what I was asking, and he said it's not for PvP. I thought it might have been because he had too many vanilla enchants.
Unbreaking 2, that is horrible.
I know. I don't even know what he's doing.
Alright. So I got sharpness 5, fire aspect 2, looting 3, and unbreaking 2, mending. That's what he had, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Well. NVIDIA CoolGunner. I'll give him a. Can you give me a white scroll? That way I can protect it afterwards. Wait. Where did? Wait, what? I get 1, 2. Oh, that's why I put it on my fucking player's head. Whoops. Okay, so Viper, slow-mo, lifesteal, rage. Yeah, his sword's just bugged.
Oh, okay.
Can you give me a white scroll so I can protect it? Because he had a white scroll on it.
See.
Give him my bedrock.
Scroll white. 32 VC dot YT. There.
Boy just gave me 32. So it turns out your sword was bugged.
That's actually just such a skill issue. I don't even understand how that happened. Unless it was like an issue because he made it like at the start of the server or something, but it shouldn't have affected that at all.
But there you go, it's applied. No, I just applied it.
Oh, okay.
I just remade his whole sword.
That's so goofy. Like, how does that even happen?
I don't know. Maybe it was a kit sword, but still.
It shouldn't have changed anything.
I don't know. So when you PvP, just de-op yourself.
Okay. Well, how am I supposed to re-op myself?
You just wait. You just
I can't
wait.
re-op myself.
You just wait until I'm on. Most times you're on when I'm on.
No, dude. Okay, I was on till 12 last night.
Yeah.
PvP.
And?
Can I just op my bedrock so I can use my bedrock to op? Because I'm not using my bedrock at all.
Sure.
Unless I'm testing something. Okay.
It's like, fuck's sake, I gotta log on my bedrock every single time I wanna op myself.
Hey, it's better than having to wait until Gunner is on. That's all I
well,
gotta
if
say.
you had a second Java account,
I did have multiple Java accounts.
well then why don't I just
Wait,
give you
actually, I
dev?
do.
Why don't I just give you a dev on your other account, and then you
I
use,
don't use it half the time.
or then why don't you use your dev account for deving, and use your other Java account for
I can do
PvP?
that. I can do that.
Because the only time you really need to be on your dev account is
True. Well, I'm loading up my other account now.
as you literally just logged on the same account for Zane Master 11.
No. It's loading up right now. You already know my other account.
What was supposed to happen? Gunner? Did this? It lowers the. It's a failed dust. You can't do anything with.
There we go. And then I'll just
LP users, Zane, parent set, Overlord, DOP, Zane. Boy, you're slow.
Hey, I was working on it. I just dev'd myself.
Boy, I changed your rank and de-opted you.
Well, I set my other account. How about that?
Yeah, I could have did all 3 by the time you did 1.
Is my text different? Oh, it is. I honestly forgot I had a different text. Oh my god, that's loud.
Well, you don't gotta keep your other account on.
No, I know.
But then that way people can't say you're abusing, right? Because your main account isn't the one that's off, which is off. So
yeah.
Which then you could also test Inquisitive to see why if Inquisitive was just overpowered because you were opt.
It might be.
But I still nerfed it because that was really overpowered for opt players. Because that means for Karma, that's going to be overpowered.
How hard it's been to get that book? I've gotten 2 of those books. One of them I bought from another player.
I got 70 XP. What level was it under?
You can get under any level besides Mythic.
So okay. So let's go Legendary. Let's hit it with the Berserk 3. That's not bad. I'll take that.
I mean, it definitely seems like the XP is a little bit slower. I'm not sure though. But I also upgraded to level 3 now.
Yeah, so 25, 15. So it's about what it would be before. Because you increase by, I guess, 15 chances. So before it was 50. The base, so the first level was 50 chances. And then it went up by 25, 25, 25 each level. That was a little OP for XP. Because if you...
Oh, yeah.
Because if you have a big ass fucking blaze farm, that shit's overpowered.
Well, okay, hear me out. I don't know if I'm right in this, but I'm pretty sure Pantel or someone might have duped spawners, because apparently they have like 2 stacks of blaze spawners that they didn't place down. And they have 32 at their base. And I searched for like hours in the Nether, and I only got like 16 or like 10, 12, I think.
They have 64.
Apparently, somewhere. I don't know if they actually do. I never checked.
But Adam, you never believe Adam. Adam just fucking... Adam's another story.
I don't know. Well, let's see how many levels I get now.
Some enchants will be able to nerf as the season goes by, because I feel like once everybody gets enchantments, it's going to be so overpowered.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody's going to be... The one thing that I hate about custom enchants is...
Okay, I still went to level 28 in 2 swings.
That's not... So that needs to be nerfed some more.
I mean, it's not crazy, because I went from level 0 to level 28, but, like, it's also hard to get this book. I spent so much time trying to get it.
Yes, but you don't... Once you get it, you don't want to be overpowered with it.
True. But it only works really well at the low levels. Once you get past level, like, 40 or whatever, it's pretty slow anyways.
You okay, baby? Ah. Okay, well... Yeah, but jumping to 28 levels that quickly is crazy.
Well, I also have to wait for my blaze spawner to do that.
Yeah, but 2 hits? Yeah, okay. What I don't...
Now I have limited fly time. Apparently I have 3 hours
Yep.
fly time. No. That's alright.
Okay, so why are people at night complaining that there's only three envoys, but right now I see 46?
I don't know, because I think it's just because there isn't as many people on. I could be wrong,
but
I think it just scales.
Norm, I don't know, because every time I bought it seems to be perfectly fine.
I don't know. There's something weird with them though.
Why are you so quiet?
He's a goofball.
Should be fixed. Anything else?
Like, how is he getting so many levels that fast? Like, he's getting levels that fast at level, like, 115.
Yeah,
telling me
I'm nerfing. For like what, Inquisitive?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm nerfing it again. I don't want people getting crazy enchants that quickly. I want you to grind through the season to get them.
Yeah.
Inquisitive.
Here's the definition.
I don't know, set to 15 and increase by like 2.5 each time.
Hey, I told you Inquisitive's gonna need a hard nerf. That was the one enchantment that I know for sure was gonna need a nerf. I did warn you ahead of time.
Well,
I'm gonna set the base to 15, and I'm gonna set it that it improves by 3 each level.
Okay. Yes, we can hear
Inquisitive just got a hard nerf. Smile.
Neff.
Shut up.
Nice.
You want to post it in the updates?
Yeah.
Why are you so quiet? I don't understand why you're so quiet. Zane, is he quiet to you?
He is.
Like, I got your Discord volume at 51 and you're still quiet. Boy, I could barely fucking hear you. Sounds like you're 20 feet away from the fucking, No, barely.
I'm like 20 feet away. Or like across the room.
Can you hear me now?
Slowly but surely.
How about now?
That's better.
Why don't you move your mic close?
I don't want it in front of my face.
What, you don't want to choke on your mic like you like to do? What?
Hey, he said it, not me.
So I have this place house Can you make them because they're mostly for
Karma's just complaining about fucking everything. Karma, it's not our fault that your ass has to go to military and you don't have much time to play. And you're playing with Zane anyways. Zane fucking's on like 12 hours a fucking day. I have to like bribe him to fucking go play CSGO.
Well, I mean, I can't be letting these other people get away with this stuff, you know?
PW and Zane, how many blaze spawners you got at the moment? Okay, so
18, 19?
Due to the fact that yes, I like that you have it where people can go in, but you do need to make more than one door for them to get out.
The reason why I had to
because
was because you have stairs.
Zane, did you really just replace it with glass?
No, that's me.
Replace what?
Oh.
I didn't replace anything. I put everything back where like it was.
Yeah, he went over.
So you need to at least make more than one exit for people. Due to the fact that people transport items throughout the nether, and they're not going to want to go up here and do all of this to pull them all the way here to drag them across. And why is King... What claim block is this? This is a 10? Or is it a 20 or is it a 64? Okay. Alright, I don't have my pickaxe right now, so...
You can just straight up hide claim blocks. I honestly did not know that. No, honestly, I didn't. I didn't know you could do that though, which is hilarious.
Oh, I got a new follower on Twitter. Let's see what this is about. I don't know. It's another fucking GFX person.
Yep. because they see you're a small streamer. Oh yeah, Gunner, I banned legitimately like I think 8 or 10 bots last night.
I told on Kick, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, I told. That's literally what my Kick stream is full of. Why do you?
Is the server lagging a ton?
No,
Is
that's
that
just your shitty ping.
I think it's even bad. Look at it.
Oh yeah,
I think I just have too many
server
glazes.
TPS dropped. I will have to do some spawner nerfing and stuff, like mob spawning nerfing.
No.
If you just made stackable spawners, you know.
No, I don't. I think it's due to so many mobs in a one chunk, which.
Okay, Gunner, I had 150 bees in a little enclosure. It was not that.
Is there any good stack? Well, I could add stackable mobs, but I don't know if the stackable mobs works very well with custom enchants. I don't think it does. When I added it last time, I don't.
Shouldn't affect it.
Well, no. So with that, the stackable mobs, what it does is it stacks at 128. So it's less efficient for your like say Inquisitive. It's less efficient because you're only technically hitting 1 or 2 mobs at a time. It does.
Fine. It's just a free nerf to it. Then you don't have to nerf it anymore.
Well, let me see about stackable spawners.
Then it doesn't make it as OP.
You guys want to fucking nerf everything.
Because it's OP.
No one wants to fucking play the server if you guys gonna nerf everything.
You gotta nerf
the server if everybody has OP enchants.
Yeah.
Like I just 3-shot someone with netherite.
Well, stackable spawners actually looks better because the more people can build nicer mob farms.
Well, exactly. Because then you don't have to make them.
And it would also help your bot looking ass farm look better too.
What do you mean?
Not yours, dumbass, Lieutenant's.
Oh, I was gonna say because
I wouldn't play a server that nerfs all every fucking thing that it is.
You realize
okay.
you played Hypixel, right?
Yeah, and it's completely fine.
Hypixel has done multiple nerfs, and they do nerfs multiple times throughout their every day. There's always each week there's a different nerf or a little adjustment, but the players don't really notice it because they don't really say anything. Every server has a bug fix or a nerf or an adjustment. I adjust it throughout the season due to the fact that I don't really have, like, say how the Archon or Hypixel and that, they have a whole huge
I'm not even gonna lie.
a huge staff team, right? Because their server is so big. They have a huge staff team that can run through and play it for like a whole month straight while it's being developed to test all the bugs, to check this, check that. Where
Okay,
I don't
like, why is the TPS so bad? I mean, it's not horrible, but like
it's at 15.
Why is that 15? What in the world? It's not even. I had over 150 bees in a little itty bitty like 10.
Yes, but bees are a lot less harder on a CPU than a Blaze spawner.
No, because all the effects are client side, so it's just spawning a mob the same way. I mean, there's a little more use because it's spawning them.
Unless someone's attacking the server.
Nobody's attacking the server. Nobody's that stupid. Well, maybe someone, but and let me remove this. Let me see what it is. It is entities. What entities? So entities. There's a lot of titles. Okay, so let me remove this.
Enderman farm will be nerfed like a motherfucker. Because
Enderman farms won't even be affected, buddy. Enderman farms will not have any change.
So chunks aren't causing the TPS to drop at all. What is causing full server tick? Scheduled blocks, plugins. So better teams is causing a bit of lag.
I wish the Teams plugin worked with the custom enchants. That would be amazing.
So it does better?
Because there's some useless enchants because of that.
Display Shop is literally using 2.02%.
That's not that much. Oh wait, maybe it's because of all the display shops in the end spawn, literally not having anything in them. That
No,
could be it.
no, the display shops are literally doing nothing. It is so Better Teams is causing a good chunk of the lag, and then Entity, Hoppers.
I logged in. Did I cause any lag?
No, Hoppers and Hoppers. So somebody probably has a big hopper farm, so I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to make hoppers a little bit faster, like last season.
I have literally like 8 hoppers, so it's not me.
Lieutenant probably has this big ass fucking hopper farm again. Lieutenant, what the hell am I looking at? Why are you guys building out of bones? PS TP. Let me TP the lieutenant's thing. PS.
What in the world are you guys trying to build? Oh, it's supposed to be pixel art. I see what he's trying to do.
RTP.
But I don't really know what this is supposed to be used for.
Oh my god, their base likes me. Oh, Lieutenant, are you working on your fucking auto sorter again? Weird. Why is hoppers? Oh, you know what I didn't do this season? Fuck.
What?
I didn't fix the redstone current. I gotta change the redstone current. It can't be vanilla. Redstone current.
Redstone's pretty notorious. Like, I mean, you can crash a server with literally like hardly any redstone. It's actually funny. I've done it before.
I gotta find
a
out.
server like 15 times in like a couple of hours.
Yeah, but I gotta figure out where I found where it was, because I gotta figure out what the different redstone current paper.
I hope it doesn't fucking nerf my storage room again. What the fuck?
No, so what it does is it just makes the redstone work better and less laggy. I might adjust hoppers a little bit, because hoppers are always the most laggiest thing in the server.
Oh yeah, people use so many of
But
them.
it didn't really affect you last season.
Yes, it did.
You
I had
just
to fucking keep going. Every time the fucking restart happens, I have to.
Oh no, that was hopper per chunk. That was something I can't fix. Hopper per chunk is not my fault. So when the server would restart, one of his hoppers would break. So in a chunk, you can have, there's only so many hoppers and stuff that you can have, or core binding into different chunks before it breaks. So his hopper would like destroy.
Core protect?
I don't know if it was core protect or if it's protection, but the protection claim blocks there, because when he would intergrind within one of the hoppers, like say even Karma had this, right? So he built a big pumpkin farm, and all of a sudden a couple of his hoppers would break, but he would have to be in a different chunk, or sometimes your flying machine. So I think it's due to the claims, right? Interlocking with the claims and the saving.
Yeah.
I can't fix that unless I change the
not a
whole,
issue.
unless I fix a whole different plugin for claiming, and you guys don't like shovels, and I'm not going to be changing it this season. So no, so with claiming with the shovels, you would get so many claim. It's a different claim plugin, different adding. It's
Loki, I like that style better, but I understand.
I like the claim blocks. Everybody likes the claim blocks better than the shovel.
I like the claim blocks, but I like it more faction style. But I'm also biased because I like factions.
Well, no, it's not through a command, right? You would right-click the shovel on this side, and then you would have to.
That's more like a factions type style.
And then you would have to go, and then every time you want to extend your thing, you would have to click over there, and then you would have to click over here. It was so much more work to extend your thing.
Have you ever played hardcore factions, Gunner? Are you familiar with it?
You know what?
That's how hardcore factions claims work.
I just kind of got an idea for next season.
I know what you're thinking. you know, honestly, I kind of forgot about that, but
DM me what you think I'm thinking. I know that next season's not going to be for a while, but it eliminates 2 plugins, which...
Or am I not on the same page?
No, not that, but sort of.
Aww.
So, you know the first part, right? But you know...
I'm not sure. Yeah, just message me because I'm not sure what you're talking about now. Well, I mean, that's what I was thinking. Why don't we just do that? Because it already doesn't work with like some of the custom enchants, so it doesn't.
Yes, but then people would have to recreate their new team. They'd have to recreate a team.
I think people would be fine with that.
And then everybody would have to reclaim in its power base, but that's not like I don't like that power base part. That's the only thing that I don't.
Remove it, couldn't you?
Because if people die within the faction, they.
You should be able to disable it.
I don't know. That's something we can look into on my day. Not this week. Not.
Wait, you have the dev server up, right?
Yeah, I could throw in a plugin for you if you want to go test it.
I can take a look. Yeah.
Because I'm assuming you're not streaming right now.
Can you? No, I'm not. Can you whitelist my my alt?
Yeah, 1 second. I gotta actually find a plugin that works on
Okay. Why is your dev server running over 3 gigs of memory right now?
Because I don't know. It's a survival server. Come on. I don't really want to. So this one, this is a pit.
Where's the schedule under?
The schedule?
The scheduler. Yeah.
Yeah. You see files on survival. You see how it says console, players, and it says tools, activity, database, backup, importers, schedules.
Oh, here I see. I just being stupid. Don't ask.
Hey, you said it, not me. Can you find the thing for me for the different redstone currents? Because for some reason I can't find it.
What should it be under?
I don't know. So it's under. It's no, like I mean, I physically. This is the plugin for factions, which. Ooh, F wild. So that means. I feel like that would be a lot cooler. It's just I gotta make sure that people can't get overclaimed. I don't want people getting overclaimed. But then you need so much power, where then it's 1 chunk is 1 power.
It's not a plugin for redstone current, right?
No. So redstone current it's like a paper thing. Paper. Let me see. Oh my god. Wait, I have a paper website here. Let me see. Docs. Paper. I just want to change my redstone current, but I can't remember where the hell it was.
Redstone implementation vanilla.
Like I know. Like,
is that it?
Like I need to change it from vanilla to something else, but I don't remember what the names were. How to change the redstone current on my server?
Egancraft. Hold up. Redstone.
I remember it being so easy to find.
There's Egancraft redstone implementation, and there's alternate current implementation.
Can you send me the thing that you're looking at? Cause I can't seem to. Wait.
It's literally in the paper docs. Send you the link too. I'm not sure which one you want. It's probably alternate current, I'm assuming.
I swear I fucking looked. Okay, where is it on this thing?
Let me take a look at alternate current. Just Control F and look redstone.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. I'm meaning. So there's. Oh, okay. Wait, I can click on it and it can tell me. Okay.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking at right now. It's low number of code modification, make it minimally
invasive, alternate.
And easy driving replacement for vanilla redstone.
I think it was alternate that I would do.
Minimize the number of times a wire checks its surroundings determines power level. Minimize the number of blocks and shapes updates. Emit block and shape updates in a deterministic non-locational order. Makes it less.
I can't remember which one was better. Optimize explosions. Ooh, I might optimize that too.
Well, That would be good for factions. Oh, well, Gunner, I was gonna say, I was gonna start taking a look at, like, I'm gonna load up a local server for myself and start looking at some plugins and configuring for factions just for myself, and if we ever bring it. But
Like, I do plan on bringing it, just not.
No, I know. Just like so I can do it myself and I can get started on some of that stuff. Plus, I want to look at maybe making a few of my own custom plugins, possibly.
Okay.
But
I'm just trying to figure out which one would be better. Should I do alternate current or should I
do alternate current? I would say.
By Spacewalker? I did alternate, but I don't know if engine's better. Both engine and current are implemented to change the behavior of redstone dust. You can read about the behavior change. There's no official document, however, comments on the bug tracker to give an overview. What is I'm so confused. I'm gonna just do current because that's what I used last season.
Yeah, if I use
where was the collision thing? There was a collision thing here that
for a server jar though, I think we should run. I think it's Purper. That's what it's called because it has performance built on top of paper. So it has some things for like extra plugin compatibility, like for more stuff, but it also has better performance than just regular paper. It's a fork of paper called Purper.
Yeah,
I'll send you a link of it.
I know about Purper.
I've used it before.
I know about Purper.
Good.
I've never really used it though. Like I've used it a little bit, but I'm not the biggest fan of it.
It's supposed to apparently be a drag and drop from the normal, but it just has better performance and some optimizations.
Where did I see collisions? There we go.
Oh well, actually, hold up. If I wanted to actually take a look into making my own plugins, you remember the multi-cord server?
Wait, where did I
wonder how that would work for factions.
Allow player cramming damage. No, allow vehicle collisions. True. Fix climbing bypass climbing rule. Max entity collisions 8. Let's do 4. Only player collision. Only calculate collisions if a player is one of them or two. No, I don't want. I want to disable player collision again, but.
Yes, please.
But I don't remember.
Is that not in the server properties or default server or paper?
I'm trying to. I don't remember where. I disabled it, but.
Me too. I don't remember where it is. That's why I didn't disable it yet.
Player. Enable player collisions. There it is. Full. Send full POS for hard colliding entities. Okay. So is hoppers in this one? No, hoppers is in this one. No. Cooldown when full. True. Disable movement. False. No, I don't need that. Ignore occurring blocks. No. Is it? Where? Why is my phone? Oh, my chiropractor just. Well, like I plan to go to with the chiropractor soon. And they just said that the prices are hoppers.
Mach 2.
Wait, where is the hopper optimization? I forget where that is. 8 transfer, hopper transfer, hopper check, hopper amount. Hopper. Wait. Hopper is a good value at starting. Hopper check is a good. Okay. Hopper transfer starting tick time in the ticks that the hopper will wait to move an item. Increasing this will help performance if there's a lot of hoppers on your server, but will break hoppers based on clocks and possibility sorting systems if too high. Okay, hopper check. Time in ticks between hopper checking for an item above them or in the inventory above them. Increasing this time will help performance, but if there's a lot of hoppers on your server, but will break hopper base. So that it's a default good starting part is 8 for both of them. I don't know what the hell hopper amount is. Don't fire unless there is a plugin actively listing this event. This means you can only substitute if there's a plugin there. Determines if the hoppers will ignore containers inside full blocks. For example, hopper minecarts inside a sand or gravel block keeps this enabled. Will break some contiguous depending on the behavior. No, I'm not going to touch that. But I am going to do this for 8 and 8. And then I think paper itself needs an update. Yes, 6 days ago they had an update. So before I'm gonna watch my Toronto play their first game for the season.
Gunner, if we had factions, are we gonna run it on an older server version and just use via forward, or do we want to just disable PvP like hit cooldown?
Well, I would be disabling. I don't think Bedrock. I don't think with the newer versions. I don't think we can do the older versions anymore.
Is there not?
VIA version recommends that for the newer versions you have to run Java. It requires Java 17. But I could look into running it on the proxy, but that's a lot more work that I don't really want to tackle anytime soon.
What's the difference on running that?
So
running Geyser on the proxy?
No, so Geyser is on the proxy already. I'm VIA version. There's a lot more into working for it to run on the proxy.
Okay.
Than just restarting the server itself. Like say when the proxy isn't able to allow it to join. I have to wait. Yeah. So proxy it has say they have 1.21 that can join, right? Like say velocity, because that's what I use. Allows 1.21 to join, but VIA version hasn't updated. I'm just using 1.21. I know it's already blah 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 blah. Don't say anything. But they were a little bit later because of the Java change, right? Because in 1.20 it was Java 17, where in after version 1.20.5 and up it is Java 21. I don't know what the difference is.
There's different hooks and stuff into it for like built-in commands. So I think as long as the VIA version updates it, it should work, but I have no idea. It'd be something we'd have to look into.
Yeah. Doing a quick restart. Return for force. Oh. You're not gonna die if you're fighting an Enderman. In 3, 2, 1. Zane's like, I want to fucking complete that real quick.
I was getting that. I don't care.
You know what's weird? My Java, it doesn't show. Does my Java show you in in Vanish? I mean,
Yeah, I can see you. I'm opt on the hub still. Remember?
I know, dumbass. Your Dev, you need to be hopped. You
And
need to be
my
opt on
alt
both
isn't.
servers. Well, yeah, you don't. Your alt doesn't need to be opt on the hub.
Yeah.
Rip. That should help a
Are we
little
still in
bit.
biz?
That should help a little bit of lag because a lot of redstone lags a lot. Even in default Minecraft worlds, it lags a lot. I gained a subscriber, but nobody chatted in the chat. So somebody subscribed while I wasn't streaming, I guess. Oh wait. I need to remove a plugin. I need to remove that Anvil Fix plugin.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, while we're in here, Zane, where's that money pouch plugin I sent you?
I think I have it downloaded. Hold up.
I got it.
No,
Money
I downloaded
pouch.
it. Yes, I do.
Lock.
I sent it to you.
I just went up on our DMs. So, Lieutenant, I hear you're jealous that what's his name? Frit has Frit has the sniffer pet. Oh my god, I couldn't fuck. My brain just didn't want to work there for a minute.
Oh yeah, he bought it.
There's a bug.
It's fixed.
Click it.
It's fixed.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't on my end. It was due to the plugin. They actually fixed it themselves.
Oh.
So with the plugin here, I'll literally tell you what they updated, right?
Well,
So
you can't even do /pet on the spawn.
yeah, okay. So fix an altercation issue with the sniffer. So when you enter into your interaction, here I'll just post it in. Zane can fucking read it out since my vocabulary is not working.
Fixed an interaction issue with the sniffer pet.
My vocab was not working. Peanut, you warming up those that's smile. Well, he's standing in front of the fire, right? Like, he's literally just sitting here staring at the fire.
4 beds, 2 villagers, some breads.
But it's starting. It's almost up. Needed to change a plugin. LOL. Hang on, boy. Habitat? When the fuck did that boy join?
A BB. Oh, BB. Oh, BB. What if I just remove everyone's server selectors?
Like, the server itself does need optimizing regardless. I'm gonna have to go slowly through that and optimize because whenever it starts up, it says server can't keep up.
Yeah.
Oh, I found a bug. I don't know if you have that plugin. When you log into the server, you know how you had to move last season? You type something like command or something?
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't. It automatically, I don't have to move.
Yeah, it's because it's a different plugin. I don't have that plugin anymore. It's paid. And I don't have a pay. I'm not gonna enter in my regular card number just to pay for it. Sorry, but if Zane wants to do that, sure, go ahead. But I'm not. I'll use PayPal to pay for
Good,
my
I'm not-
plugins.
Not paying for that right now.
Like, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the old chat manager plugin that we had. It was a lot better than the one that we have now, but I don't like the one that we have now.
You're off, Enderman.
I'm gonna go into
Yeah,
this
right.
guy's Discord and see if he actually... I'll just look around.
Come on. Teleported. Damn it.
Oh yeah, I'll be home early again, Gunner, tomorrow.
I
And
won't
then
be.
Friday, I will be home all day.
I won't be due to the fact that I have my hours changed at work now. So...
Why it does look like the Enderman's humping the sheep.
Yeah.
There's the...
He went into the boat with my sheep, and it looks like he was humping it.
Come on.
I'm surprised nobody came into the Minecraft stream today.
Well,
There's gonna be quiet days. I did start it pretty early today due to the fact that
Why do this?
Zane,
Mhm.
should we host our own ticket bot? Cause so basically, right now I'm paying for this ticket bot that's already be hosted to have multiple categories and everything. It's $37 before tax Canadian, where
a year?
a year, which is not bad. But if I was to host a bot myself, it would depending on the host, it could cost the same or more.
I would say don't bother with it right now unless you can find a cheap enough host where it's gonna be cheaper. 'Cause, I mean, we don't have any issues with it right now, really.
No.
Oh, there's so many Endermen. Get out of here.
Like
Yeah. Iron Golems attack him.
I had a lot of different I have a lot of
No.
different like I have actual bots, Discord bots bought. Like there's I have this one. This one.
Oh, yay.
This one.
The Endermen are just humping all the villagers and sheep right now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Relax, relax.
Hey, tell the Enderman that.
So I have this one bought. I got this one, but I think I have a couple add-ons for some of them too. This one.
We've hosted our own before, right?
I also have, where is it? Did they remove?
I'm gonna go look at Pinterest for inspiration.
Did they remove? Did they remove Corebot? Oh. This is the one. Like I liked Corebot. Like it was good, but Tristan works for them.
They're removing all the freaking Discord music bots, eh?
Well, that I don't give a fuck though.
It's because they built one of them back into Discord.
Oh. I fucking typed my email wrong. Change email. Ah, that's why. Let me see. Our host actually, Spark, they actually do Discord bots for a 50% CPU storage, not even a gigabyte of RAM. So $2 a month, which is not bad. $2 a month is not bad.
No.
It's not.
No.
What was the old host that I used for this? I don't even remember. I've used so many different fucking hosting companies.
Real.
Minecraft server hosting company. No.
The Diddler Sword.
Are they not a server hosting company anymore?
You know now.
I used to use, there was, who just left? Oh, Lieutenant, thank fucking God. Games, no, other services. What's their Discord bot hosting? So basic is $1 for 50% core for 1 gigabyte of RAM. That's not bad. But with this host, if I was, say, to buy the $10 a month in the future, I could host 13 different Discord bots.
And why would we need to host 13 Discord
I don't
bots?
know. Say if I wanted, well, I guess one Discord bot could go into 2 servers, but Like if I ever make that thing for my YouTube channel. I don't know who the hell would make that for me, but
I wonder who.
Zane, or pay for it. I don't really need a $4 a month. That's not really needed because I don't really need 3 gigabytes of RAM and host 4 bots. I think we only really need a ticket bot.
Realistically, I could run the bot on my Raspberry Pi. It wouldn't need to be that powerful to run a bot.
Well, like the one thing that I want to do, okay, is I want our Discord server to be mostly ran by one Discord bot.
Yeah, it would be convenient to do that.
It's more cleaner, right? Where a lot of them do have the multiple features, right? I don't know if you want to look through and see, because you're better at looking through the Discord bots. So if you want to look through the ones that I sent you, but paying like $2 a month for 75 CPU usage is not bad at all.
Well, or yeah, and you're not going to use that all with the Discord bot.
Yeah, or I spend $2 on the standard medium-sized Discord bots. So this one's $3 for 3 gigabytes, 100 CPU, 6 gigabytes of storage. So like this one for $2, which $2 is reasonable for a thing, but a Spark I've always liked due to the fact that I can have code, right? I can get discount. They have discount codes running consistently.
Yeah.
Which is basically makes them more money in a sense because more people are wanting to come to them. Discord, $5 every month, or 5% off every month. So if I was to go, say what? Should I go $4 or $2? The $4 we can run more than one bot.
Why do we need more than one bot though?
Let's say if we decide we want to run more than one bot. It would be JSON node TypeScript, no backups, Buffalo ran, of course. By checking this, you understand that the service your own is only for 4 bots instances. 1 bot instance per server. A single server or sub-server is not capable of running multiple bots. Running more than one single bot instance. Does not work. FFmpeg does not work on shared Discord, whatever the fuck that is. This product works via VDoctor, Pioneer. We do not share an SS with any of sorts. Yeah, I don't care about that. A Discord bot low traffic IP? What the fuck does that matter?
No, I don't think that's just jargon for, hey, we don't have anything else to offer.
Make your Discord bot instance have a low traffic IP with a maximum 9 other instances. This IP can help stop rate limiting from Cloudflare and Discord bot. Please make sure to get a ticket.
They must just be running in like a, either they have access to like some like private like backdoor IP to Discord, or they're just saying that to make it sound like a better deal.
Make sure your bot instances have a dedicated IP. Why the fuck would your bot want a dedicated IP? Discord bot management? No, I don't need you guys to really do that. I can get Zane to tackle that. Basic bot management will be done by our support team, which includes following basic error correction fixed. So like if I wanted to pay $5 for a one-time fee for 1 month, they could fix stuff, which is actually kind of cool.
Not bad. Okay, and then I need a fence.
So in a sense, if I was to do this, annually for the $4, it would be $46 a year, which is
not bad.
US, right? So in a sense, it's more expensive to run the $4. Like that's the $4 one, right? Without the here, let me see with this code. So if I do it for a year, yada yada yada.
There we go. Oh my god. That was fucking stressful.
Validate. It would cost me $44.61 a month for the $4 for the year, which is not bad.
Yeah.
Annually, it'd be $23.48 annually for the $2 one, which is not bad at all. That's before the discount. So in a sense, it's about the same amount just to run it ourselves. I like the advanced one though. Like if we,
Oh my god.
so that's not bad. All right.
This freaking Ninja 2 is fucking scary in the end. Oh my god.
Because I'm more or less kind of looking into possibly hosting our own bot. Because honestly, if it's cheaper, it's always better to run your own Discord bot.
I guess.
But take a look at those bots, or if you see a better one that you think on that website that we should go with.
Jesus.
At 5 o'clock, we're gonna go stream some CS:GO.
Good for you, bot.
Is Frit gonna go spend some more money? Frit and King both spent money, and somebody else bought a rank too last night.
I'm so
Yeah, I saw
proud
that.
of them.
I was on for that.
I'm so proud of them.
Hey Frit, have you tried? Frit, your mic's muted if you're trying to talk.
I'm eating.
Oh, have you tried your sniffer pet yet today?
No, not yet.
You think you could log on and test it for me?
Sure.
Papi Mena. I'm so proud of them. They actually spend money on this.
Lieutenant, you always know I buy stuff on Zone.
Boy's gonna start his game. So Frit bought keys on the store, which then got Mr. Hiding over here wanting to gamble some money on crates too.
Yeah, but Gunner, Fred only got one epic.
No, I fixed it.
Oh,
I already chatted with him.
Yup.
You're like already 2 days behind.
shut up.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh,
Yeah.
Danny. Because I see, like, right now, I can't believe it's been a year. It's been almost a year that I've had this new ticket bot. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a good bot, and it's, like, you could add multiple categories, but most of the cell-phone bot, like, the bots that I sent you, a lot of them have the management built in, right? So we don't have to use two different...
Yeah.
Did you know they're adding hardcore mode now to Bedrock?
It's already
Woohoo! I don't care. That was actually kind of clean. I'll take that. I don't really give a fuck what... Oh. I'm like, I don't care. Just like a long... like... I ended up changing that join message. I don't know, that join message just looks so bland to me. It doesn't look colorful enough. I like color. I like popping outness. I like to intrigue your attention.
That's what she said.
Dude, I need to get new keys for my keyboard. Holy crap.
Boy, your keyboard was so loud in that clip you sent me.
No, I don't know why it is, because my mic isn't actually like that. It's using the same mic, unless it's bugging out and using my,
I don't know, but boy, I literally heard, like, your entire keyboard, like I can literally hear everything.
Honestly, I don't know why.
Well, you can't hear anything unless you're in my stream from my keyboard, so.
Well, again, I don't know why it's like that.
What do you... My clipping thing, I use,
Yeah.
I use...
Xbox game bar built in.
Oh, I don't. I use my NVIDIA. You know what? I want to kind of...
I would, but like honestly, I don't find a reason to, because it's already built in and it works fine enough.
Well, NVIDIA one is already built in also.
No, you have to install GeForce Experience and shit.
Yeah, I
Actually,
use
that's
GeForce.
right. I haven't even updated my drivers. Hold up, I don't even have GeForce Experience downloaded. What am I doing?
I have
What?
GeForce downloaded because it helps me update my graphics driver when it's time.
Hey Gunner.
Speaking of that, do I need to
Wait,
update mine?
Some drivers. Yeah, speaking of that, I actually need to download it so I can make sure there's no drivers. I take that back. I'm pretty sure Armory Crate will automatically update my drivers, which is built into my laptop since it's Asus. It's ROG.
Oh no, mine doesn't need to be updated. There you go.
I'm writing
What
my
about yapping?
sniffer
Whoops, sorry, did CoolGunner get disconnected? The CoolGunner wannabe? Ooh, what?
Hey,
Did the wannabe get disconnected? Uh-oh.
oh, you said the word. Uh-oh.
What word?
Yo, these sniffers sound so weird.
No, they're nice. They're cute.
I'm trying to, like, they sound like an actual animal that's out in the world, and I don't know what they sound like.
That's because they use a lot of like real life sounds to.
Yeah,
make
I
that.
know, but just the sound making that it
Shouldn't
uses, and I
be.
don't know what animal it is.
I actually want to see what the little one looks like. Oh,
Where's my s-
Did you talk it over?
What?
Yeah, I was talking to him about that iron part.
Oh, Frit. I think Frit is keeping that with Lieutenant.
Yeah. We need that.
yeah. Sorry, man.
But I think Frit was gonna allow him to like use it. But
Yeah, I'm gonna let him use
I
it.
think I'm building a villager breeder right now, so we can
Well,
make an iron golem.
I don't know
farm.
how you're really gonna let him
And-
use it. It'd be more or less him taking some of the iron. That's about it.
Yeah.
But if you build it in Lieutenant's claim, you would have to personally give it to him. He wouldn't be able to take it because Lieutenant wouldn't add him.
It's gonna be in my claim. I plan on making my own little claim for the iron golem farm.
Right?
And that's okay. Hiding won't take anything. Hiding will probably just take some of the
Yeah.
iron and use it when he needs some iron. That's about it.
Yep.
He just doesn't want to go build one with the villagers.
No. Why do we have to fucking share our shit?
It was up to Frit. It's Frit's iron golem spawner.
Yeah.
Frit's decision, not yours.
No, it says in the rules.
It was Frit's idea to share with him because he asked about trading, and then they were saying Frit said I would probably be able to share with you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on? I'm so confused.
Lieutenant being a pussy because Frit wants to share with Hiding the iron golem spawner that he won.
It's
Oh.
not like I'm gonna take every bit of the iron. I just here's stack, there's stack. That's about it. Or if I need something later down the line,
Yeah.
we'll have cotillions of
So
iron.
fucking easy to build one.
Okay, so Frit, don't add Lieutenant to your claim. Make him build
Yeah,
one.
no. You know what? If he does that, he's not gonna get PS.
I don't really think he cares too much about PS added out of your claim if you're gonna be buggy to him being active with a member in the community that won't do anything.
You tell him, Gunner.
Whenever I ask for shit for you guys, you say, oh no.
No,
Well, that's
Frit,
We're going to the auction house.
Boomhall, did you build this in creative?
Gunpowder.
But how the fuck has this boy done this much building in literally like 4 days?
Let me see. There's no fucking way.
Or is this an underwater temple that he found that he just turned into his own base?
No, he turned it into his own base, but how did he already clear it out fully? What the fuck?
Nah, I got all the statistics.
How the fuck did he already make it or drain it that
Boomhall,
fast?
have you slept lately or what?
Yeah, it's the only way he would have to if he didn't sleep.
What's his playtime right now?
I don't know, because I have second.
1 day,
top
3
playtime right now.
hours.
I have the second top playtime right now. Somehow Kingera beat me because he's no life, and that's with the 17 hours I had deving,
Bro,
which is just
do you
sad.
not understand? He's in another time zone.
That don't mean
Okay,
shit, but
we had this talk already. It means nothing to be in a different
I
time
got
zone at all.
26 hours playtime so far.
It goes by the scoreboard time.
That does not affect anything, though. He doesn't have more playtime because he's in a different time zone.
Wait, I got
It
1
doesn't
day
change
and
anything.
25 hours. So this scoreboard is different on this one. So this one's different. It's a
Yeah, the
little
chat
bit.
scoreboard is weird.
That one runs
It's
off
just
your
making
statistics
fun.
on when you actually join the server.
Oh.
Because like right now it says I have 1 day and 25. Oh no, the playtime 1 day and 25 hours, but I'm not even on the score on the fucking list. So this playtime scoreboard is run through a different playtime
Oh.
plugin. I couldn't make it run off the statistics like the client side statistics because of the server, because apparently that doesn't actually have a built-in leaderboard. Unless we can find, I don't think statistics has its own built-in leaderboard, does it?
What's Mike for?
I'm too busy building.
Take him off of event manager.
Thank-
Not event manager. Don't
Thanks
do it.
for donating. Oh my god, if I can fucking
Catching
spell.
up to you, Lieutenant.
What?
Bro, IAD is so stupid. He can't use a damn brain. I'm sorry. I'm not talking with him anymore. I cannot tell him
Who?
what to do every single time. Dude, IAD. He literally just is like, how do you do this? How do you do the mystery dust? I'm like, dude, it's not that hard. Just figure it out.
Boy has 10 failed mystery
literally-
dusts.
Oh my god. It's not bugged. He just sucks. Straight up sucks.
Failed dust doesn't do
Oh yeah, I have a really old driver.
anything.
I should probably update my
They
driver.
are garbage like building
Me.
skills.
No, they're garbage like me.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, okay. You don't need to put that in.
Hmm?
Where is my shards? What? I had 170. Bro,
Oh, okay. So one of the chat games, for some reason, it sets your shards, not at.
and then
your
you
shards. I
you
don't
ha
know
you
which
have
game
you,
it is,
you
though.
haven't went into the chat games plugin and changed it
I
yet.
don't know which one it is.
Well
That's
then,
the issue.
well then you search in it.
I don't know what runs chat games. I
Chat
literally don't know
games.
anything about that plugin. Okay, well I didn't know anything about that plugin. To be fair, at all. Is it Chat Manager?
No, chat games. It's literally a folder called chat games.
I'm stupid.
But it literally says give. So beast token give, 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 give.
Stroking?
Uh,
Roller got what I meant.
We know you like to stroke your little ego, but shush.
Whoa!
That left me stated.
I don't think it. I don't. The rewards underneath the words, rewards. It literally shows give, 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 give. It doesn't say take.
Hey, Lieutenant. Why
good
do
question.
Why do we have a grindstone up top when I have one down at the
Looking into it, but also hashtag
'Cause I've had it
support.
too. I've literally looked into it, or sorry, I've literally had it happen to me before too. So I don't know what it is that does it.
Console beast token. I'm pretty sure it's beast token give.
Gunner. I want to show you something on my end.
I don't. I could reload it like chat game reload, like I can adjust like boom. Let's just make it 21 tokens from this one.
Let's go, my first rare.
Frit, what are you wanting to show me?
Look at the water in my game.
Ooh, the seaweed moves. Woo.
No, you see how clear it is?
Yeah, what about it?
That's my Tetra Pack I have made.
Oh, nice.
From,
As long as you can't see through lava, you're fine.
Yeah.
Because if you could see through lava clearly like that, it would be cheating. It'd be considered
Yeah.
X-ray.
X-ray plugin actually prevents that. I don't know if you realize, or the X-ray built-in protects from that.
Protects no fog.
No, not no fog, but
No fog is what makes you see through lava, where
I
it
know.
doesn't affect it.
Well, no, it like removes the haze from the lava. But if you're trying to like X-ray through lava,
No, X-ray it completely just obliterates any X-ray that's in this that you use. It's a literally built-in paper X-ray. Like it literally obliterates the shit out of your X-ray mod.
You know, Fred, Gamma does the same thing. You know.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't make it as clear like that.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
Oh,
wait,
shit.
what? What does it do?
You scared me, huh?
No, it doesn't, Lieutenant.
No, it's
Not as clear and vibrant as that. The texture pack actually makes the water more clear and vibrant, where we can see through it, but it doesn't look as clear as... Here, I'll literally show you. I got like gamma... I think I have my gamma on. Do I? Paper or percent app data. I don't even remember if after I reset my computer, if I turn my gamma on. Feather client settings. I think
I'm
it's
at base.
Notepad just once. Or no, not Notepad. I wanted a Notepad at plus plus. No, I don't care about editing it. Gamma. Where is Gamma located?
No idea.
You heard of,
Gamma's not built into the game. You have to get a mod for that.
No, there's actual settings in the actual Minecraft settings that you can actually change.
no. You need a mod that does that.
They used
There's
to actually
brightness,
have
but there's not gamma.
well
there's
brightness
brightness, but not
whatever,
gamma.
but it used to be called Gamma, alright?
Yeah, it's different.
But it was in Minecraft itself, and I don't know where they.
And I think they changed it.
This is
Because I remember doing it in like the 1.16 and everything. So
you heard of vanilla tweets, right? CoolGunner.
in my Feather client, I've heard of it. Yeah.
That's basically what I made.
Whatever.
I went to the website and made my own Tetra Pack, so it gives me the wings of
Yeah, but I can't. I don't. Elias, I don't remember where it is in the actual thing anymore.
Lieutenant, you're gonna die, by the way.
Am I gonna die?
No, I am.
Oh, I'm in the water. let me get.
Yeah, because of Lieutenant.
So Lieutenant's trying to kill me, so he needs to get. So he needs to get a ban. I think Zane would love to type that ban hammer.
No.
I would. I would love to.
No.
It'd be funny if you did. He'd be crying.
No.
He so would be.
That's
though.
true.
I give up. Oh well. I'm gonna go vote, and then I'm gonna go play CS:GO.
Got me in for some CSGO. Gross, Lieutenant.
You gotta send me your Steam name for it.
Okay.
It's KSI.
No.
Oh no.
My Steam is
But Zane, what do you think of that second? Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna pay for Steam's
I didn't even take a look at it yet.
No, I'm not talking about the bots. I'm talking about
Oh.
instead of running that TeamSpeak, because I think it's kind of a waste of money if it's just the two of us in there.
Oh man, my bad.
True.
I mean, you can invite me.
No.
What a waste of money.
So I'm thinking of possibly making a second Discord server just for my YouTube, like pulling everything that's like YouTube side out of this actual Discord server and making an actual YouTube Discord. Like, it will still, like, if people want to have my YouTube side, they can have YouTube side, where that way it doesn't broadcast within this Discord that I'm streaming, because a lot of people get annoyed with that, right? Like, I know that we have a live one, but where then I can tag in that Discord, because it would be my YouTube base or Twitch base, like, hey, I'm live streaming, and then they can join that one. And then this can be server side, where I can just leave this one open and anybody can join in these VCs on the server. And then it's not per role based, and it can go back to like just like Minecraft channel. See it like it's only for the server, where then my YouTube, we make the certain roles for certain channels and everything, which I know you would love.
Yeah.
You usually like doing with the per role channels and stuff.
Yeah.
I could pay somebody, because I know, well, unless you want to make it, that's up to you.
I can make it. No reason to pay someone.
Because me and Fred and Kinga don't mind paying.
It's you might not mind it, but it's other people.
It's like
You
the
gotta
people
remember
that
other people have feelings and other people don't like it.
it's the people that are here just to play the server, right?
Yeah.
The people too lazy to mute the chat, mute that channel.
Not
is
that
annoying.
it's. I also tag.
I've
also tag in announcements, right, saying, "Hey, I'm live streaming on the server." Like, I could still technically tag about that, but I feel like this Discord server is really cluttered.
To be honest with you, me and Fred and Kinga are probably used to me paying them too.
Well, no, but then
Yeah,
in
so
my
you need to remember that it's other people.
YouTube Discord, I'd be able to ping all I want, because it would be classified for YouTube and Twitch and Kick and TikTok. Where then that will be less clutter there, where, because like the share content, I only want this share content on this Discord server to be only about the server. So I'm gonna be I want to change stuff around like that, where then I want, like, the media and Twitter alerts, I want to remove that and make it that it's in its own Discord server. And that way this server is just for the Minecraft, for like the Minecraft server itself, where then like people that play my CS:GO with us, like say when we unlock CS:GO, like when I unlock Premiere, and we get more people joining us once that starts blowing up, they're not going to want to be sitting in a thing where somebody's streaming Minecraft. They're not going to be wanting it where it's all about a Minecraft server in this one.
It's good to isolate it.
That's my plan, is I want to start isolating, because I am getting bigger, right? I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers. And as I get bigger, this is going to get cluttered with YouTube.
Yeah.
And so if I start earlier than later...
Anyways, Gunner, I got a answer back. It is out of 100%, so it's a chance-based system. So that's good to know.
Yeah.
I sent you the.
Yeah, I sent you a request.
Okay.
But here's I'll make the Discord right now, actually. Hey, stream, I'm gonna